and a solving one. Our strategy is to find the extra or missing information, and I'm going and make sure you're paying attention to all of the details. The example problems let you read through, and I'm going to go ahead and give you one of the answers and walk you through a way to solve one of the ones that they've given you. And since this one is only tenths, I want to do number 1, since it is in the hundredths place. So there are 100 movies at the store. 30 hundredths are action movies, 50 hundredths are comedies, and 20 hundredths are adventure movies. What part of the movies are action or comedies? Okay, so here it's told us the only types of movies we need to worry about are action or comedy movies, which means we've got some extra information. We don't need the adventure movies. So this is extra information right there, the adventure movies. We just need the action and the comedies. And I'm going to go ahead and model it on my place value grid. So I'm going to model out 30 hundredths for the action, and 20, 30, and those are action. And then I've got 50 hundredths that are comedies. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are comedy. And by putting them both together on the same place value grid, I can just count up the bars and see how many they are together. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So my action plus comedy is 3/10 plus 5/10, and that equals 8/10. And that's how that one is solved. Number 2, again, we're looking to see if there is extra or missing information in order to solve the problem. So we'll see. I don't want to give it away, but see if you can find if there's extra or missing information. In a basketball game, the red team scored 3/10 of the baskets during the first half and 4/10 of the baskets during the second half. The blue team had 10 players. First half and second half of the game. So to write my complete sentence answer, I'm going to look at my question, and I'm going to say the red team scored baskets during and you're going to fill that in with a fraction of a whole. So that's how number 2 would be completed. So when you're looking, just remember that some of these problems have extra and some of them don't have enough. They're missing some information, so you won't be able to solve them. I did want to remind you that you have some here with hundredths and here with tenths. So just really quickly, if I were looking at 15 hundredths, I would do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And if I were doing 3/10, it would look 3 whole bars. So if you're using your models to solve these, remember that some of them are hundredths, just the dots, and some of them are the full bars for the tenths. So the best way is to convert them all to hundredths. And if 3/10 looks like this, that would also equal 10, 20, 30 hundredths. And that may help you, if you convert them all to hundredths, it may help you see the pattern a lot easier when you're trying to finish the pattern in this problem here. Okay, number 6, their favorite flavor of ice cream. 3/10 of the students voted for strawberry, 21/100 of the students voted for vanilla, and 4/10 of the students voted for chocolate. How many students voted for chocolate or vanilla? Okay, so we've got one fraction written in a word, and we've also got some extra information because all it's asking for is vanilla or chocolate. We've also got problems that are written as hundredths and problems that are written as tenths that we're going to want to convert. So there's several layers here. This is a tricky problem. Just take it slow, take it careful, and do that. And don't forget, here's your sentence, how many students voted for chocolate or vanilla? And if I write my complete sentence answer, I'm going to say blank students voted for vanilla or chocolate. So that's how number 6 is going to be solved.